Hello, today we'll review some advanced releasing options to create purchase orders and transfers that are tied automatically to the sales orders from all of this from the releasing screen. We're really trying to cut as much time as possible from this process of creating all the necessary document for shipping materials to a job. We're also trying to help you manage each job so we can serve our clients better and keeping our inventory levels as low as possible at the same time. Hopefully, using these tools, this releasing screen will be so easy and powerful that you won't ever have to or want to use order entry again. So just real quick, we'll see some how to release stock inventory. We'll see how to release stock inventory that is tied to a transfer. We'll release some non-stock and create the PO at the same time, and we'll also release some non-stock and tie to a direct PO right out of the chute. Before we start releasing, I want to talk again about the importance of making sure your columns are set up in the right order. What you have right here is to me one of the best configurations. I like to make my columns kind of short, so I fit as much information across as possible, and columns that have related information like the open quantity, the releasing quantity, the quantity ordered, the type of products. I like to have them here really in a nice order, which will make the releasing process much easier for you to perform. Another thing to notice when releasing is to understand the differences between releasing stock items and non-stock or catalog items. Obviously, stock items is something that we may have in our warehouse, and we'll be using that available column here to determine if we can just send it out of the warehouse we're releasing from, where catalog items will be looking at the vendor and the ship from columns to make sure that we purchase the product from the vendor that we want. Okay, so let's start releasing. Let's start with the easy stuff. Let's say we want to release this entire group here to the customer and start shipping. You can see that those are all stock items. In fact, let's go ahead and move our available column in a better place here, so we can see it better in the initial screen. So there it is. We can see that we have almost everything available in the first warehouse, in the 01 warehouse. The only one that we don't have it available, everything is from is this item right here that we only have 2. So let's go ahead and on this line just release 2 of them, and then the other lines we're just gonna release it fully. So set to yes, and let's go ahead and create our OE. You can see the order got created here. We can jump to it. That first line, we're only shipping 2 because that's all we had available. If we go back to our award screen, we still have 3 here that we didn't have available to ship. So what we can do is look here and say, I have some of that available in the South El Monte warehouse. Maybe we want to use that. So but I only have 2, so I'm going to go ahead and say 2 here and hit enter. And then here on this warehouse fields, I'm gonna say, yeah, I'm actually gonna transfer that from South El Monte. And you can see colors the warehouse we're using. I'm gonna go ahead and create the OE, and let's see what we get. If we look now at the available orders, he actually created the order and the transfer from the warehouse already tied in. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through this releasing and tying warehouse transfer process one more time. Let's go ahead and start releasing this group 1, and let's review again what we have and what we don't have. Here, this line right here, we only have 1, and that's all we have, so we're out of luck on that one. This one we have nothing available, but we do have some available in the Salt Lake City warehouse. Not that you would actually transfer that, but just for the example, we're gonna keep going here. So we're gonna set this line here to transfer from Salt Lake City. Then this one we don't have enough again. Let's see. Yeah, we don't have enough anywhere else either, so that one's gonna have to wait. This one we have, let's see, yeah, we have something available in the Victor Valley warehouse. We set to transfer from there on that one. So now we pretty much set our transfers for the lines that we want. We're gonna set everything to a yes. Go ahead and create our OE again, and if we go look, there it is. There's my new order, and you can see the transfers were created automatically for the proper lines. There it is. So now let's start releasing the non-stock stuff. One thing you have to do ahead of time is to mark it so that it creates the POs for the non-stock items, and then go ahead and say new release. The only lines left are these ones, the non-stock ones. We'll go ahead and for these first 3 just make sure that we going to set the proper vendor, and might as well set the ship from also. So let's go ahead and update vendor here, and maybe this one will select their Chino warehouse, and let's go ahead and just set them to yes. Create our order. It's going to show up here real quick. There it is. There's our order with the attached purchase order, and we're moving along just fine. And I wanted to save the best for last, I guess. From this screen, we can also not only create sales orders, but maybe we got to deal with this vendor for these last items to actually go direct. So you could change your order type right here to direct, and start our release. And you can see now it's saying, yeah, we understand these two lines are gonna go direct to the customer. And same thing, let's make sure that we have a ship from from our vendor here, and let's pick a different one this time. That's good. There it is. We are going to set them up. Set to yes. We're good. Create, and we should get order here real quick. There it is. And this last order here, you can see is actually a direct order. There's the attached purchase order that's also going direct, and we're able to release this entire job in many different ways and at different times, which achieves our goal to keep our inventory low, and provide the customer with all the material they need in a timely manner. As always, thanks for watching, and let me know how this new transfer functionality is working for you. Again, we're trying to help you with the managing and the usability of this release screen. So please give me some feedback and let me know if I'm going the right direction. Thank you very much.